Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you are doing great. Chinese government scholarship application for 2026 has started. I discussed the announcement for applying CSC Type A in my previous video, and I also inform you there that I will show you step by step how to fill up the CSC application form. So without further delay, let's get started. To begin the application process, first, go to the official website of Chinese Government Scholarship. Then click on Scholarship Application for Students. This is the main application portal. You can change the language to English, which will make it easier to understand. If you do not have an account, create one by clicking on Create an account. Now provide your information here. Once the account creation is complete, you can sign in. First, some application related information is provided here. Please read this information carefully. Then click on Application Online. Now you need to input your personal information. So click here. Some scholarship related information is shown here as well. Please read it. Then click Confirm. Here you need to provide your given name, surname. The spelling must be exactly the same as it appears on your passport. Enter your date of birth. Here gender. Marital status. For the country of birth, since I am Bangladeshi, I have selected Bangladesh. Followed by the city, religion and nationality. Here select your native language. If you cannot find it, select other. You must provide your passport number correctly. You will find the expiration date on the information page of your passport. Next, enter your telephone number, your address in Bangladesh. Now provide the emergency contact information. You can enter the details of your mother, brother, father, sister, or any other person. Please fill out this information carefully. Then click Verify and Save. Now you need to provide your educational information. Let's assume I studied up to class 12. First, select senior high school as the field of study. Here you need to write science, business studies or humanities. Select Bangladesh as your country. Then enter the name of institution from which you obtain your higher secondary certificate. In the same way, complete the secondary school certificate information. If you do not have any work experience, you can mention that accordingly. Then click Verify and Save. Next, you need to provide contact information in China. Please write the contact details of someone from the office of the university where you intended to study. Here you will also include your parents' information. Then click Verify and Save. Now all personal information has been completed. Next, we will choose the application category. Since we are applying for CSC Type A, select CSC Type A. Now enter the agency number. Since we are applying from Bangladesh, the agency number for the Chinese embassy in Bangladesh is 0501. After entering the code, the agency name will be appear automatically. Remember that each country has different agency code. So you must use the agency code of the country from which you are applying. Next, select your language proficiency. For example, if you have certificate in Chinese and English, enter the information here. Now select the program you want to apply for. Let's assume you are applying for a bachelor degree. So select Bachelor program. When you select the preferred teaching language, you will see that only Chinese is available. This is because the Chinese government scholarship for bachelor programs is offered only in the Chinese language. Next, select the university and subject. We have already made a video on how to find university, major and teaching language, which you can check. After selecting the program, the study duration, including the start and end date, will be automatically filled in. Finally, select whether you have a pre-admission letter and then click Verify and Save. This is the final step of the application. In this step, you have to upload the supporting documents one by one. Meanwhile, I have arranged all the documents in a folder for easy upload. Before uploading, here are some instructions you need to prepare the documents accordingly. Like, you can upload as PDF or Word. Its size will be maximum 3 MB. If more than one document, then first merge together, etc. Here are some documents which are mandatory. You can see yes or no next to the document. All documents with yes are mandatory to upload. You upload the supporting documents one by one, as like I am uploading right now. In case of recommendation letters, you can upload the documents in two ways. One is if you have already taken recommendation from the professors, then you have to upload as other documents. Second, you can request professors for recommendation letters by clicking on Add Provider. In this case, remember that you have to contact the providers before submitting the application. Here you type your professor's name, title, relationship, address, phone number, etc. and finally click on Save and Notify. The reference provider will get a link. Your acceptance letter should be uploaded in the Other Documents section. In case of pre-admission letter, those who apply in Type B will be interviewed. If they pass the interview, then the pre-admission letter will be given from university. We have already made a video on this topic, which I'm gonna provide the link in the description box. You can watch this later. Once all the documents are uploaded, click on the submit button and your application will be complete. Now we believe you have an idea how to fill up the application form. If you still have any question or queries, you can leave us a comment. We'll try our best to help you. So that's all about today's video. Stay with us and see you in our next episode.